Alrighty. So, hello everyone. Welcome to the first video on the channel. So this switch I bought a few weeks ago. It was used, right? And I got it for a really good deal, right? But when I bought it, I was told that the left Joy-Con wasn't working, right? So I go through, I look at the Joy-Con, take it apart, find a lot of corrosion, try to fix it. But I'm still not getting any power from it, right? And so I borrow a set of Joy-Cons from a friend, and I go through and I try to plug them into the Switch, right? Because as you can see, right now it's currently in setup mode. So I thought that the rail, well, you can probably see it now, it's broken. I thought the rail was just not functioning properly because the right side rail seems to work fine, right? Seems to work fine. It doesn't have any issues. In fact, I was actually able to charge the left side Joy-Con on the right hand side by just putting it backwards, and it worked fine, right? But alas, when I went to go take it apart, you know, as you can see, the rail is off now. I found that the ribbon cable connecting to it was broken. So today I ended up getting some replacement rails, excuse me, and I also ended up getting another back for the Switch itself. As you can see, it's all it's seen some better days, right? So I just want to kind of document the process. Unfortunately, I don't have a whole overhead, so I can do this just yet, but we'll get one soon. But I'm just going to document it as I go along. All right, so we've gotten the old cable out. Yeah, there it goes. This is the old cable. As you can see, it was pretty much ripped off. Yeah, it was just ripped off apart from that. So I'm going to go through, get the new one. I'm going to get that seated, get that squared away, and then we'll put the heat shield back on. All right, so I've gotten the new Joy-Con cable connected. Now I just got to make sure that I route this underneath the battery cable here. So I just got to make sure I'm gonna go around, tuck it in underneath here, so that way it sits flush. I can replug the cable back in for the battery, and then I should be able to close it back up. Okay, so we got through. We made sure that it goes underneath. I got that rerouted. Got the battery plugged back in. So now we're just gonna throw on the heat shield. All right, so I got the heat shield back on. I haven't screwed it all the way in back yet. I'm gonna go through and finalize this Joy-Con rail, get that back in, and then I'll put all the screws back into the heat shield. Okay, so now I've reattached the heat shield. I've reattached the micro SD reader. Everything is going well. The final portion of this is going to be getting this bad boy swapped out. Now, as you can tell, I've gotten it swapped out. This is the original one that the system came with, right? So whenever I bought it from the pawn shop, this is what it came with. As you can see, it's all grimy, it's all nasty, and I don't really like that. So I bought a replacement shell from Extreme Rare, right? It's just it's a smoke translucent, excuse me, shell. And I thought this one was pretty cool, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all the components swapped over from the standard shell over to this new shell, and then we'll go ahead and get that put on. Okay, so I went ahead, I got the new back assembled. I got the foam pieces, the speaker grills, the whole kit and caboodle. I went ahead and took all that off. Well, not all of it, but the cartridge slot and the kickstand holder. Took that off of the old one, and then got some new inserts for them. So we're gonna go ahead and finalize this and see what happens. Okay, so now we have everything assembled. And so we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy turned back on. Boom, there we go. So it is now the moment of truth. So now we just got to make sure that the Joy-Cons work. So once again, we were replacing the left-handed side. So now, sorry. So that green one pops in, and here is the moment of truth. All right, we are successful. We have now successfully repaired this switch. I know I didn't go through everything in depth, but I'm working on it. I'm going to try to get an overhead cam. But just like the video, the next video that I have is going to be going over case swapping the Joy-Cons, right? Switching those out with some clear shells to match the now new back, right? So if you did like the video, go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you guys later.